Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're making the yummiest homemade pizza, and that too without yeast. The first step is to make the dough. To make the dough, we start by taking 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon of soda, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 tablespoons sugar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, but you can use any oil you have, and 4 tablespoons of plain white yogurt. Mix all these ingredients together. You can use any means. I used a spoon. Now make a soft dough using warm milk. It should take around 1 cup of warm milk. Make sure to pour the milk gradually while mixing and not all at once. Now use your hands to bring the dough together, but do not knead it yet. At this point, it's okay if the dough is a little sticky. That's how it's supposed to be. Now cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover your dough. Grease your hands with some oil and start kneading the dough. Knead until it's not sticky anymore. At this point, if your dough is still too sticky, you can use some dry flour like I did. After you're done kneading, make your dough into a ball, cover it, and let it sit for at least 1 hour. If you want to make it beforehand, you can make your dough and cover it and put it in the fridge, and then when you have to use it, take it out and turn it into room temperature before using it. After an hour, the dough is ready to roll, pun intended. Knead your dough for about a minute and then divide into 2 parts. These 2 parts make 2 pizzas. You can save the other one for later. Now grease a pizza pan with oil. Preheat your oven to 475 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 Celsius. Now roll and stretch your dough until it is round and about a 1/4 inch thick. Now take your greased pan and put your dough on it. Make sure the sides are not too thick and the dough is covering the entire pan. Spread pizza sauce all over your dough. I'm using homemade marinara sauce. If you want to know how to make the marinara sauce, the recipe will be in the description. Now it's time for the best part about a pizza, the cheese. Be generous with it. You can never have too much cheese, that's my saying. For the toppings, I picked my favorite, jalapenos and olives, but you can use whatever you want. We use a bit more cheese just for good luck. Finally, drizzle some olive oil and bake for 10 to 12 minutes until the base is crispy and the cheese is slightly brown. After 10 to 12 minutes of baking, our pizza is finally ready. Now slice your pizza in however many slices you want and enjoy with your family, or even by yourself. I'm not judging. Alright guys, that's it for the video. Hope you enjoyed and make sure to leave a comment and like the video. Subscribe for more content like this. Make sure to check out our previous videos as well. Until next time, goodbye.